Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Discord, cannot delete Discord folder from Appdata and LocalAppData. Click Run. Type %appdata %. Click OK. Delete Discord folder. Error displayed shows folder in use. Right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager. Right-click Discord.exe, click End Task. Close and try to delete Discord folder. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.